Improper fraction to mixed number. Ang improper fraction ay kapag mas malaki yung numerator kaysa sa denominator. Katulad dito, mas malaki yung 7 kaysa sa 5. Ito yung tinatawag nating improper fraction. Kapag naman mixed number, ito ay combination ng whole number at saka fraction. Katulad ito, 1 and 2 over 5. Paano siya naging yung 7 over 5 naging 1 and 2 over 5? I-divide lang natin siya. 7 divided by 5. 7 divided by 5, 1. 1 times 5, 5. And 7 minus 5, 2. Kaya ito yung 1 and 2 over 5. Kaya siyang 1 and 2 over 5. Itong 1, ito yun. Itong 2, ito yun. Then itong 5, ito yun. Example number 1. Convert improper fraction to mixed number. Number 1, 12 over 5. Divide lang natin. 12 divided by 5. 12 divided by 5, 2. 2 times 5, 10 over 12 minus 10, 2. Kaya ang magiging sagot dito ay 12 over 5 2 and 2 over 5. Kaya yung sagot. Tignan ulit natin. 30 divided by 8. 30 divided by 8, 3. 3 times 8, 24. Tapos 30 minus 24, 6. Kaya ang magiging sagot sa 30 over 8 equals 3 and 6 over 8. Number 3, 25 over 3. Convert natin sa mixed number. 25 divided by 3. 25 divided by 3 equals 8. 24. 25 minus 24 equals 1. 25 over 3 equals 8 and 1 over 3. Number 4, 33 over 2. 33 divided by 2. 3 divide 2, 1. 1 times 2, 2 over 3 minus 2, 1. Bring down 3, 13. 13 divide 2, 6. 6 times 2, 12. 13 minus 12, 1. Kaya ang 33 over 2 equals 16. Kapay natin to 16 and 1 over 2. Number 5, 105 over 8. Convert natin siya sa mixed number. 105 divided by 8. 10 divided by 8, 1. 1 times 8, 8. 10 minus 8, 2. Bring down 5. 25 divide 8, 3. 3 times 8, 24. Then 25 minus 24 equals 1. Kaya ang magiging sagot 105 over 8 equals 13 and 1 over 8. Yung 13, ito yun. Yung 1, ito. Then yung 8 siya yung divisor. Kaya naging 13 and 1 over 8. Yan, ganun lang kasimple yung converting improper fraction to mixed number. Sana may natutunan kayo sa video na to.